I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird, and the bird's lower mandible is longer than the upper mandible. Upper mandible is this part of the choker, and the lower mandible is represented by these crystals and jewels. The apex of the mandible is here, the lower mandible, and this is the bird's eye. This is the top part of the bird's head. This part of the choker represents the bird's head, and the bird's neck is in here. And this bird has a headdress on its head. The headdress is represented by the fur, this piece of the choker, and these jewels and crystals. And so